Hello everyone. In this video, let us understand solving probability problems based on playing cards. Let us first understand what are the cards we have in a well shuffled deck of cards. We have 52 cards in all. From these, 26 cards are red and 26 cards are black. The cards have 4 suites: diamonds, hearts, clubs and spades. The red cards are diamond and heart, and the black cards are clubs and spade. Each of these suites have 13 cards. These three are the face cards: the jacks, the queens and the kings. Each of them have 4 suites, that is the diamond, heart, club and spade. So we have 3 cards, the jack, queen and king, and each of them has 4 suites. So we have 12 face cards. Let us now quickly recap whatever we have learned. We have 4 suites: the club, the spade, the heart and the diamond. For each suite, the cards are from ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen and king. So then we have 26 black cards and we have 26 red cards. So we have total 52 cards. So the total number of outcomes will be 52. School Exam Prep has chapter-wise study material for grades 9 and 10 CBSE Maths. We have just released sample paper for both basic and standard maths for class 10. We also provide personalized one-to-one or one-to-many online coaching to school students in maths for grades 6 to 10. For more details, log in to our website schoolexamprep.in or WhatsApp or call 944-994-8591. Let us now solve some problems. A card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. We have to find the probability that the card drawn is a king or a queen. Now let even be this event. The number of favorable outcomes can be found by looking here. We can see that we have 4 queens and 4 kings in this deck. So therefore we will have 4 plus 4 equal to 8 as our favorable outcome. Probability we already know as a number of favorable outcome upon total number of outcomes. So the probability that the event even is happening is 8 upon total number of outcomes is 52. Simplifying, we get this as 2 by 13. Now let us look at the next part of the question, which asks us to find the probability that the card drawn is either a red card or a king. Either means you are going to get a red card or you are going to get a king. Let E2 be this event. To find the number of favorable events, let us look here. We find the number of red cards is 26, which includes the king of heart and the king of diamond. So we have 2 kings that are also there, which is the king of clubs and the king of spade. So the number of favorable outcome will be, for the red card it will be 26, and which includes the 2 kings. Then we will have 2 more kings that are for the black cards, so plus 2, which is equal to 28. So the probability that the event E2 is happening will be equal to 28 divided by the total number of outcomes, which is 52. Simplifying, we get this as 7 by 13. Now let us look at the third part of the question, where we have to find the probability that the card is neither a red card or a queen. Let E3 be this event. Let us first find the probability that we will get a red card or a queen. We know that the number of red cards in the deck is 26, which includes the 2 queens, which is the queen of heart and the queen of diamond. And we have 2 more queens, the queen of clubs and the queen of spade, which is 2. So the number of outcomes of getting a red card or a queen is 28, and but we have to find the probability that it is neither a red card or a queen. That means it is any other card other than the red card or a queen. So the favorable outcomes will be the total number of outcomes 52 minus 28, which is equal to 24. The probability of the event E3 occurring will be 24 divided by 52. Simplifying, we get it as 6 upon 13. Now let us look at another question. From a deck of 52 cards, jacks, queens, kings, aces of red color are removed. From the remaining cards, one card is drawn at random. We have to find the probability that the card drawn is a black king. Now the aces, the jacks, queens and the kings of red color are removed. In the previous example, we had taken the total number of outcomes as 52. But here, because these cards are removed and we from the remaining cards one card is drawn at random, so we have to find the total number of outcomes. So for this we will write it as 52 minus all these 8 cards that are removed. So we will have 44 as our total number of outcomes. Let the probability of drawing a black king be even. The number of favorable outcomes, we can see that in this deck of cards 2 black kings are there. Probability we know as number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So the probability that the event even is occurring will be 2 upon 44, which is also equal to 1 upon 22. Now let us find the probability that the card drawn is a red card. Now for this, let us take this event as E2. We look at the number of red cards. We know that the total number of red cards present in a deck is 26, and from this we have removed the 8 cards. So the number of favorable outcomes will be 18. Now probability that the event E2 will occur will be 18 divided by the total number of outcomes will be 44. So simplifying, we get the probability as 9 upon 22. Now let us find the probability that the card drawn is a face card. Let E3 be the event. We also know that the number of face cards in the pack are 3, jack, queen and king, and we have 4 suites. So the total number of face cards are 12. From them we have removed these 6 face cards. So now the number of favorable outcomes is 6. So the probability that the event E3 is occurring will be 6 upon total number of outcomes we know as 44. Simplifying, we get it as 3 upon 22. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.